Good afternoon, everybody. I finally got it. I got the Xlite V3 ES from Pulsar. This is a tournament edition gaming mouse. You don't have to worry about using drivers because one of my favorite features that kind of brings me back when SteelSeries Xi and the Archel that they have the LCD at the bottom that you can adjust your DPI. I don't know about the Archel, but I know I had the Xi. I know that mouse you can adjust the CPI, polar rate, lift off distance, and also the DPI increments is at 1, which is awesome. I like that mouse a lot. Of course, they brought that same implementation on the Sensei as well, but I'm really excited to try out this mouse because I love the shape. I am more comfortable using this mouse than the Razer Deathadder V3 Pro. So let's get right to it. Now, there are issues that people are having with this mouse, and they're saying that the build quality is a little bit hit or miss, but also some of the mouses are not working. I am praying to God that this doesn't happen to my copy, but if it does, there's really nothing I can't do about it. So let's get right to it. Let's open up this bad boy. Now, this thing is going to go run by for $129.99. It weighs about 64 grams, I believe. Oh, sorry, I was off. 65 grams. Now, you don't have to get this mouse. You could get the Xlite V3, and I think it's going for $99. But I wanted to try this mouse because, again, I am a sucker when it comes to the old LCD and also the aluminum scroll wheel, which is sick. Let's open it up. Sensor using the 3395 sensor, which is awesome. And voila. Let's do a quick sound test. Side button's a little bit better than the V2. Oh, this thing sounds. At the bottom of the mouse, so you got the LCD right here. You press it. Let me turn it on. Oh, this shit looks sick. Oh my God, I'm super excited. So it does come with the 4K dongle, which is nice. Ooh, there she is. The 4K dongle. Okay, let me continue. Oops. So this is the 4K dongle. Looks nice. USB Type-C. Also comes with power cord, which is USB Type-A to USB Type-C. I love this. It's a little bit of angle, that way it doesn't hit the surface of your mouse pad, which is awesome. So this what comes in the box. This what you get. You also, what type of accessories you get. I think you don't get extra mouse feet. No, you don't. You just get user guide, and of course you get a nice little, like a card from them. But really, that's it. That's all you really get. Now, I believe that the glass gates are compatible with this as well, which is awesome. So if you're somebody who hates PTFE feet, you can go get the plastic, not plastic, reference glass feet if you really want to do that as well. I like PTFE feet, even though I should try glass. So I'm gonna plug everything in. Hopefully it works. No issues, praying to God. So stand by. So I got the mouse set up, ready to go. So this is how the 4K dongle looks when it lights up. You could turn that off as well. There's a video on Pulsar's YouTube channel how to use the mouse without drivers. But I love how this mouse feels. And again, I am so surprised that the build quality, no, the build quality is really good. Also, they use optical switches. And right here at the side right here, I forgot to mention, there's like a small LED indicator right there that will tell you what's the battery life. Now, they came out with that idea from the H2. But man, I am excited. Finally, they came out with the Xlite V3. I am super excited. It is time to play video games. But before I play, I gotta eat this, and I'll be good to go. Any questions you guys want to ask me, you know what to do. You can answer down in the comment section. Until then, I am signing off. Before I leave, this video is brought to you by sponsor of Tutores. Have a good day. Goodbye.